You're closer to your dream home than you think, and communities like this one, it really brings that dream to life. Today we're at Aspen Trail. It's a community being built by American Richmond Homes. It's their Seasons collection. Behind me, I have two of the models we're going to tour today. I'm really excited to showcase them. Let's hop in. All right, let's hop in. I'm really excited to show you guys the Slate. Now, if you're watching from your TV, go ahead and go grab the kids, pop some popcorn. This might be a long one, but bear with me. So it's sitting at 2,000 square feet. It's a one-story home, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. They come with 2-car garages, but you can opt to have a 3-car, and they currently have 2 move-in ready units available. Reach out to me if you want to take a look. Now, when you walk in, you have this long hallway. It separates the 3 main bedrooms from the primary bedroom. So when you walk in, straight on the left or the right, depending on which one you're looking at, boom. This would be like the perfect office space, in my opinion. I always try to showcase the closet space so you can kind of see what you're working with. Now let me know how you guys are feeling. I know we tour a lot of these model homes, so you kind of see all like the bells and whistles, but if you'd prefer, something I'm going to start doing is we'll tour the model so you can get an idea of like furnishings, all of that sort of thing, but then also we're going to start touring the non-furnished units that are available for move-in ready. Nice closet here that you can kind of share between both bedrooms for this bathroom here. Yeah, I just can't get over how perfect it is to have these 2 bedrooms plus the bathroom just separate right at the front door. It just makes the home feel even bigger with that space being pushed to the side. And then of course you have your coat rack. Now this is where the garage sits. So this model is showcasing the 2-car garage. Again, you can make this a 3-car. You just have to add that on when you're working on the build. You have your laundry room here. Very spacious for sure. HVAC. Got a nice little guest room here with its own bathroom, as well as its own closet, which is actually pretty sizable for the square footage of this home. I'm definitely a sucker for these screened-in bathrooms. And from what I understand, speaking with the rep, a lot of what you'll see here in this model home is a lot of their standard features. So most of what you see is going to come with the normal home that you're building. I think one of the main things you end up not getting are the ceiling fans in each room, but I believe there is one already in the primary. Now we're in the really awesome open concept living. Really great for hosting. We're going to start in the kitchen and make our way down. Massive island. So beautiful. I had to zoom in on it. We have your pantry here. Again, for the square footage, this is actually very sizable. I was very excited to see that. You just get so much space. The video really doesn't do it justice. Reach out to me if you want to view this home in person. There's so much space here. I love the open concept when it comes to the dining area because it just adds extra seating. One of my favorite things to do is when I'm hosting friends and family is people can sit in the dining, play some cards, while you have the other set of people sitting in the living room watching TV. It's great. Lots of natural lighting when it comes to the living spaces because the patio is so wide. So then we're entering the master bedroom. Now you'll find that the walk-in closets are right as you enter. Some people like that, some people don't. You let me know in the comments kind of how you guys feel about a walk-in closet that's right when you walk into the room. Lots of natural lighting in the master bedroom as well. So if you like being greeted by the sun, these are the perfect homes for you. Really cool features about the Slate is that you have the soaking tub as well as the standing shower that is also screened. Definitely an underrated feature. When I moved into my new construction home, it didn't have that soaking tub, and I can't tell you how much we missed that in our master bedroom. All right, now we're going to take a look here at this back porch. Now again, I love the dual sliding doors on either side. It just adds so much extra natural lighting to the house. And of course, you get the signature covered patio. Beautiful for entertaining or just straight up relaxing. Now, one cool thing about American Richmond is that a lot of what you see is standard, but you can add on quite a bit of things. So if you see something in the home that you would want to change, let me know, because more than likely it definitely is possible. And then this was kind of my last attempt to show you just how long this hallway is. Again, just giving credibility to how cool it is to separate all of the first bedrooms from the main bedroom. Okay, so now we're looking at the palm. Now, this is one of my favorites out of the entire collection out here. They sit at about 2170 square feet. So it's a 2-story home. You can get them from 3 to 5 bedrooms, and they're typically the 2-car garage. Now, there is some that are set to be built. Reach out to me so I can let you know. Now, when you walk in, immediately you'll see you have the bedrooms again, just kind of separated from the main living area. So we're going to take a look at those first, but the stairs are right behind me. Always got to check that closet space just to show you what we're working with. And again, what you're seeing here is standard, so you can expect a lot of what you're seeing to be in the home that you pick or that we go and take a look at. You get a little bit of extra space under the stairs here. Now, this home's a little bit different in that it kind of separates the dining from the living and kitchen area, but it's still spacious enough and close enough to where you feel kind of far away, but also very close for family gatherings or just having friends over. Great size pantry for the square feet of the home. It's really only about 100 square feet more than the home we just looked at. living area is very cozy, and when I tell you the amount of natural lighting you get in here, it's just absolutely insane. Let me know if you want to tour these. I can show you the lots that'll give you the most natural lighting. And again, kind of their signature there, you'll see those double sliding glass doors that would lead into the patio. Dining rooms that are just so close to the living room. For whatever reason, it just makes me feel like it's more intimate than it would be if the dining was in another area. Let me know how you guys feel about that in the comments. This is, again, just another standard feature, just having this covered patio. I wish when I was looking for new construction, this is why you shouldn't do it without an agent. I wish somebody would have told me about these, because we're gonna have to get our patio covered and screened later on. Alright, so now we're gonna hop upstairs. Again, just this bottom floor, everything's super, super beautiful. You're definitely gonna wanna look at it in person, because I always feel like these videos just don't do enough justice, especially to the lighting and just the size of everything. But when you get up to the top of the stairs, you have this beautiful loft area, perfect for your kids, or if you just wanna have kind of like your own getaway space. Very sizable. Once again, it's almost like a second living room for sure. You have your HVAC closet here. Yeah, I definitely thought this was going to be a patio, so that was hilarious. Now you'll notice that this room had that ceiling fan. That's one of the few things that is not standard. You'll find that probably in the master bedrooms, but when it comes to ceiling fans, you'll end up having to request that. Doesn't change the price too much though. Now, with this community being relatively new, they have a lot of incentives currently. So if you're buying for the first time or you're just relocating to this area, definitely give me a shout. I want to be able to help you make this make sense for you and get you in seamlessly. And we have this beautiful master bedroom. Now, unlike the other model, the walk-in closet is deeper into the bathroom, opposed to right when you walk into the room. It's important to note that we've only looked at 2 models today, but they have about 8 different floor plans that can be viewed. So if you're interested in any of them or you want to see more, I'll be out in this community in about a week or 2. I'll send them to you personally, so that way you can kind of get an idea of what's out here and what you would prefer. All right, and that is basically the tour. I'm just gonna walk all the way back down so you can kind of get reoriented with the home. But let me know if you guys are interested in anything like this here. Again, they have quite a bit of models and there's so many different incentives to cover I want to make sure that you are able to make an informed decision. I'm going to leave a lot of the information on the prices and the lots in the description below, but let me know what you want to do. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. And if you want to see a community closer, go ahead and email me that. And if you're thinking about buying a home here soon, or you're relocating into this area, go ahead and download my free buyer's guide. It's going to walk you step by step. Listen, it's a wonderful day the Lord has made. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.